Taxi now.
Over there. I'm going to stay high because I don't know where the electric is.
Oh, really?
Oh, you never heard it? I barely dropped the throttle. It sounded like it fucking died. Maybe I'll get you on the opposite end of the field there for a minute.
I'll turn around.
Hey?
I'll turn around.
If you just keep going, I'll stay over here.
Oh, okay. I hear you.
Side.
Okay, that's fine. I'll stay over here then.
Yeah, I dropped the throttle there and it's like, what the fuck? Just so I can hear it. That's usually what I do. Is you hear me burp the throttle?
Mm-hmm.
I'm coming low at you.
I'm up high.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a low pass. Are you okay?
She started, yeah, I got it. She started to fall backwards, so I just let it roll, but I was up high enough. Right? I did like a perfect hover for about 5 seconds there, and then she started to roll backwards.
Mm-hmm.
It does that weird stall out sometimes.
Yes.
And the RPM drop. Touch and go. Oh, did I even set the timer? I don't think so.
Okay now?
Yeah. Nope, sounds fine. Just doing some practice at hovering. Okay.
Enough of that.
Dropped the wingtip there, Billy. I chased it.
No, coming back around. Echelon maneuver.
2 minutes.
Is that you with the
I
throttle?
gotta
Or
put
is
a
that?
stabilizer in that because it will not hold the wings up. It just drops the wing tip way too easy. For my skill level, touch and go. Or touch and stay down. No, too hot.
No wind
Oh,
now.
we're good. Probably gonna stay on. That was a couple of close wing tip stalls for me. There's something about a biplane, eh? You've seen it flying through the air. I'm hoping I get some time online today, but Is this your smallest biplane?
Who?
This your smallest biplane?
Yes.
Or the only biplane?
Only by.
I was thinking about bringing the Astrohog with the small gasser,
Mm.
but it'd be nowhere quick as this. I looked at it and said, I'm bringing the big one. That didn't work out today.